Welcome students. Welcome to Hospital Operations Management subject. The previous introductory session we have discussed about Indian healthcare sector and the various opportunities available in Indian healthcare sector. And today we are going to start the discussion about hospital operations management. You have studied about the various functions of operations management in business organizations. Operations management include supply chain, inventory, and production or manufacturing process. So all the activities comes under this functional areas are called as operations management. Here in this subject, we are going to discuss about the operations management in hospitals. If we look at the major functional areas of hospitals, a pharmacy is responsible for maintaining enough inventory of vaccines, some critical medicines, some basic medical test equipments. So it's one of the important functional area in hospital. And pathology is various testing conducted in hospitals. Then inpatient department, outpatient department, emergency, in case of any accidents or any other emergency cases, separate emergency ward is being maintained. So emergency, general and overall administration of the hospital, front desk management, that is reception area, and support services such as accounting, other support services, billing, insurance, cleaning, food services, all comes under support services. And purchase and inventory, all the medical equipments and other related equipments and other goods and services which are essential for the functioning of hospitals and maintaining their inventory. For example, all medical equipments and even for oxygen cylinder purchase. So all these are comes under purchase department, and enough inventory must be maintained. So these are all the major functional areas of any hospital. In this operations management, we are going to discuss about what are all the activities or the process that are being carried out in various functional areas of hospitals in detail. So that is the objective of this subject. As a hospital management students, you should aware of every process, procedures and activities that are happening in the various functional areas of the hospitals. In the first unit, we are going to discuss about front office in hospitals. You know, the front office or the reception office, it handles the various inquiries about the patient's admission, discharge details, bed details, and patient's movement within the hospital. That means the patient may be transferred from one department to another department. So all those details the relatives or any other person related to the patient, they can get the details from the front desk office. This front desk office coordinate among the various other functional areas to make this process very smooth and effective. Okay. The major functions of front desk office in hospital is doctor visit schedule, fixing up an appointment with a patient, okay, and their visit schedule to the hospital. In case of full-time doctors, they have a fixed time. Our visiting doctors, the visiting schedule must be fixed, and that should be communicated with the patients, and patients appointment must be fixed for the doctors. And the second point is that doctor appointment scheduling based on the appointment obtained by the patients. Then inquiry of patient through telephone or in person. If any inquiry is made from their relatives or relevant people to the patients, those informations must be provided. So that is another important task of an front office executives. Then find the history of patient inquired. If the patient is a regular patient to the hospital and they are getting services of the hospital for a long time, the patient records must be maintained, and all the informations must be shared with the doctors as well as with the patient's attendant. That means attendant is the person who accompany the patients, or you can maybe the relatives of the patients. So these are all the major functions of an front desk office. In the patient appointment and registration task, the list of all appointments created with all the information about each patient is maintained. In case of hospitalization of any patients, okay, they have to initiate the admission procedure. Okay, in case of discharge from the hospital, the front desk office must initiate this process, and also they do bed reservation with the consultation with a particular department, and a nursing plans is done with the discussion with the nursing department, and all the reports about the doctor's schedule, appointment of patients, and bed details. Okay, so all this report must be sent to the concerned people and to the management for the decision making purpose. This is the overview about the front desk process. So the patient status is maintained, okay, from the beginning of getting appointment and registration and consulting with the doctors, okay, getting the medical reports. In case if the doctor is advised the patient to stay in the hospital for the further treatment, then they have to proceed for admission of the patients in the hospital. Okay, that must be proceed. And the outpatient department patient list must be maintained. Outpatient means daily visitors from the outside, people who are coming to the hospital for consultation and treatment. Okay, that is called as a outpatient department. Inpatient means who are admitted in the hospital to take treatment. Okay, so they may stay for 1 days or 2 days or few days. It depends on the condition of the patients who are admitted in the hospital for the treatment. They are called as a inpatient department. And doctor information with visit information must be maintained and shared with the patients, okay, with the relevant information, and the status of availability of the bed and charges for the bed per day basis. Okay, there are different types of facilities may be available. So ordinary room, air conditioned room, single room, or shared room, like that. So the charges for that, each and every facilities available must be with the front desk. So in case of any inquiry, they should be able to provide all this information. And the lab test list with the prices should be available. For the x-ray, how, what is the price? Okay, for a sugar test, what is the price? For the CT scan, what is the price? All the informations must be with the front desk office. And item wise bill, doctor bill also will be issued to the patients or the relatives through the front office desk. Okay, these are all the major process carried out by front desk office. Okay. Okay, so this is the function of front desk and their main activities. In the next video, we are going to discuss about what are the qualities of a front desk as executive, or the etiquettes to be maintained by a front desk executives. Okay, so thank you.